Football is a sport that has gotten more and more popular over the last 100 years. Its origins can date back all the way to ancient Greece times, but it has evolved over the many years. It is a mix between rugby and soccer, and I actually became a football fan because of this video game, Madden 16. Now I'm here to tell you all about it. So, in 1869, November 5th actually, the Rutgers played Princeton in the first ever college football game, and that was a monumental point for football in the fact that after that, many college football teams were created, and by 1880, there were a bunch of college football teams. Then, in the 1920s, the NFL was created, and the oldest team currently still around is the Arizona Cardinals. So, then, in the 1960s, the NFL played the American Football League, or the AFL, and they played in the first Super Bowl, and they started a championship game. And in the first two Super Bowls, the NFL beat the AFL so badly that the AFL was thinking of changing their championship game. It wasn't until the third Super Bowl where the AFL actually won, and then they merged with the NFL to become the NFL, in the end. Then the NFL and AFL separated into two divisions, the NFC and AFC, which now has 32 total teams, 16 in each division. After that, the NFL became a very the NFL was a very run-first league, but later it became a very pass-first league. And the NFL really started to change after the tragedy of Junior Seau's death. When Junior Seau died, the NFL started looking more into brain injuries, and there was a lawsuit against the NFL in 2012, the same year that Junior Seau died. The NFL settled for $765 million, and they started trying to make their company safer. Then the movie Concussion came out in 2015, which further made them try to make a safer league. What I predict the NFL will be like in the future is I predict that it will be it'll be a lot safer league where they continue to just grow the sport of football. It's going to continue to become popular, but they may get rid of their all-star game known as the Pro Bowl because popularity numbers are down in that game. Through this time of research, I had thought the Green Bay Packers were the team that had been around the NFL for the longest. But through this research, I learned that the Arizona Cardinals were in the NFL the longest, though the Packers were around longer. The Cardinals joined the NFL before the Packers. I hope you benefited from the knowledge that was learned throughout. Thank you so much.